So what's the laziest way to make money online in 2026? Because let's be real, a few years ago, if you weren't grinding at least 12 to 16 hours a day, you probably weren't seeing any results. But now with AI and all these different tools out there, it's never been easier to get a business off the ground right from your laptop. Now, I completely understand starting a business can be extremely overwhelming, but the reason why it's overwhelming to beginners is because they think they need this huge team to be able to get started. You don't need to be a developer to create a professional looking website. You don't need editors, designers. You don't need a copywriter. I mean, the best part, you don't even need a warehouse. You don't even need to touch the product. AI can literally handle all the heavy lifting for you, so that way you can sit back and focus on what actually matters. And this is where dropshipping comes into play. Dropshipping is one of the most simplest business models out there. Think of it like this. You're basically the middleman. So you find a product, you put it on your store, and when a customer purchases, you purchase the product from the supplier, and the supplier sends the product to the customer without you having to touch a thing. Now, before we go into finding products and doing product research, you need to build out a store, somewhere where customers can go to and purchase your products. And this is where things get wild. I remember back in 2016, how long it used to take me to build out a store. Like, it's actually insane. And now there's tools out there like an AI store builder where you just answer a few questions and it'll build out a full Shopify store for you, a high converting store, in less than 2 minutes. All right, so if you go down to the link in the description, you're gonna see a link here for Build Your Store. Okay, so this is my personal AI that's gonna build you your free Shopify store in just 2 minutes. It's gonna come preloaded with 10 winning products. And what's also really cool, and one of my favorite features, honestly, is that you receive a free domain. Okay, so domain is usually one thing that you have to buy, right? When you're first getting started, you'll get a free .store domain, which those convert extremely well. I like .store, .shop, or .com. Those are usually the three that I'll go with. So to get started, all you have to do is just click on Build My Free Store. Now what you're gonna do is sign up. So put your full name, email, password, or you could just sign up with Google. If you have a Google account, it's probably a lot faster. All right, so the first thing you're gonna wanna do is click your niche, okay? So whatever niche you wanna sell products in, whether that's pets, fashion, apparel, sports and fitness, whatever you wanna do. I'm gonna do fashion and apparel. Click on done. So now you'll choose your banner for your homepage. So you can choose up to 2. So I'm going to choose this one, and I'm also going to choose this one as well, and then click done. Now what you're gonna wanna do is create a Shopify account, okay? So if you click here, click on Access Shopify, you're gonna put in your email. So now what you'll do is put in your credit card information, so that way you can start your 3-day trial, and then after that, it'll be $1 a month for the next 3 months, which will save you like over $100 because it's like $39 a month. But for now, I'm just gonna skip this. Where would you like to sell? You'll do an online store, click on next. Then is this for a new shop? You're gonna do a new shop. Next, what do you plan to sell? So you can just do products I buy or make themselves, dropshipping products. All this really doesn't matter in the grand scheme of things, but it's fine. And then go ahead and do your store name, or you could just do this later if you don't know what your store name is going to be yet. Now what you need to do is come back to build your store, click on done. So now it wants you to link your Shopify store. Okay, so click on Access Shopify, and it's going to bring you to your homepage. And what you're going to want to do is copy the top URL. Okay, come back and then go ahead and paste the store URL, click save, and you're good to go. So now what you need to do is confirm your Shopify discount. So click on Access Shopify. It's going to bring you to the billing, so that way you can confirm it. Again, it's only going to be $1. Don't worry about it. It's going to be $1 for the first 3 months. Now what you'll need to do is install the Build Your Store app, so that way that theme can be put onto your Shopify store. So once you click there, you're going to see the app right here. You're going to click on install. The next step is make your store unique. So all you have to do is click on Customize My Store, and in under a minute, our AI is actually going to handle all the customization for you. So next we have to add top selling products. So basically we're going to be registering for AutoDS, which is going to be our supplier. This is what's amazing about Build Your Stores. A lot of people are confused about the supplier process. So you're basically going to have a supplier automatically handed to you with fast shipping from day one. So all you have to do is just come down to the bottom and you're going to register to AutoDS. You're going to sign up for your plan, and then you'll be good to go. You'll have your website and your supplier once you're done with the steps. So all you have to do is just start your trial, sign up with your information, and click join now. So just like that, you now have your store. It's ready to go. You have a high converting theme. You have some products loaded. And on top of that, you already have a supplier. All right, really quickly, let's go ahead and check out our new website. Okay, so first off, if we click on products, we'll see all the products that were already uploaded for us. So as you can see, there's tons of different products here. But if we come over to online store, we head over to customize. we can now see that we have a solid looking website. Now, the section's already built out for us. We just need to fill in the information, okay? Which we can use ChatGPT to do this for us. But this isn't the end all be all. You don't have to use every section on here. If there's some sections you want to remove, you can remove them. But this is going to give you a high quality store right from the get-go without you having to build all this manually. So if we check out the product page, it's very clean, okay? And what I love about this is that there's a ton of different things that you would have to purchase separately, but you get it for free inside of Build Your Store, okay? So if we check out the announcement bar, we can click on this and change it to whatever we want. Scrolling announcement bar would usually be an extra charge. Or, for example here, the bundle and save feature where you can buy 2, buy 3 to really boost your average order value. This comes already included where you can customize this right inside your Build Your Store theme. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to actually fill out your product page or any page on this website. Okay, so let's just say, for example, you didn't know what to put for the testimonial section down here. What you're going to do is use ChatGPT to your advantage. So what I like to do, and this is a quick hack, just screenshot whatever section that you're having trouble with, put into ChatGPT, and then also take a screenshot of the photo. Okay. The photo of the product is going to help ChatGPT know exactly what your product is, just to give it more context. So now the prompt says, I'm selling a woman's seamless long sleeve yoga jumpsuit with Facebook ads on my Shopify store. I attached a photo of the product. I need copy for my testimonial section that matches the product. Please see the screenshot for the testimonial section and fill in the details for me. Basic prompt, I put no thought process into it. You can add on to it if you want. But now, as you can see, it is coming up with all the testimonials for us. So now what I need to do is just copy the first one, which is the heading, come back over to our site, go down to the section and click on the first box, and we'll paste that into the heading. Then we'll come back to ChatGPT, copy the actual text of the review, and then we'll put it here under the description. And then it also kept the name the same, so Jessica L, so we could just keep the name the same. And then we'll do the same thing for the second one and the third review. So again, we're using AI to our advantage. We're not coming up with any of this copy. Again, we're letting AI do all the heavy lifting for us. So that's a quick hack for you to be able to fill out all of these sections. So that way you'll have a completed product page or website ready to go. All right, so now that you got your store up and running, you have your domain, now it's time to find more products to sell. And this is where AutoDS comes into play. So this right here is the AutoDS platform. AutoDS is an all-in-one dropshipping tool that's not only your product research tool, but is also going to serve as your supplier. So all these products here are updated on a daily basis, and there's AI systems behind this that are actually pulling in the data about the virality of the product, how many units have been sold, and so much more. Let's just say we were interested in selling this product right here. If we click on it, we're going to get so much insider information before we even waste any money with ads. Basically, this is a pet pillow, right? But look at all the information we're going to get. We're going to get the potential profit, the orders, the engagement score, the saturation score, which in my opinion is really important because you don't want to come into the market at full capacity because there could be hundreds of different companies selling this product. So you're basically fighting for market share. I like to more so be in the busy/quiet sector because there's still competition out there that's selling the product, so you know it's something that's worth testing, but also at the same time, again, it's not overly saturated. And that's not it. Look at how much more information it's giving you guys. It's giving you the genders, the ages to use, the interests, the marital status even. And it's also showing you ads on Facebook and TikTok. So if you wanted to rip these and use them for your ads, you can do so by just clicking the 3 dots and downloading it right to your computer. It's also going to give you competitors, so you don't have to do any competitor research. You can just click on any of these and it's going to bring you an example store of a product that's already selling this. That's going to give you so much inspiration for what you want to do on your own store. And where AutoDS is really set apart is the fact that you can just click on import draft and you're already starting the process to put this right on your Shopify store. And then from there, you can customize everything about your product, the title, the variants, the images, everything that you'll need to customize before you go ahead and publish it live on your Shopify store. So if you want to try out AutoDS for yourself, I want you to go down to the first link in the description. It's going to say AutoDS 30-day trial for $1, and you're going to be able to get just that. You're going to be able to try everything that I just showed you for 30 days for literally just $1. So we have our store set up. We have our products that we're going to be selling. Now, the final thing that we need to do before we actually start to advertise is get creatives for our dropshipping products. Because even if you have the best product in the world, if your creatives aren't catching attention, no one's going to purchase from you. So winning creatives are just as important as even finding a winning product. And honestly, this used to be one of the hardest parts. you'd have to film everything yourself. And it's one thing to just go out and find product clips of your product, but nowadays people want to see real people using your product. But how do you do that if you have a small budget and you're just launching? Well, now you can with what's called AI UGC creators. So there's a tool out there called Create UGC, and this tool is going to allow you to get AI UGC creators holding your product or saying your script. Like, look how insanely real these people look. It's actually scary. So once you're logged into the platform, you just click on create new video. And then here is where you're going to paste the product link of your product page. Okay. So what you're going to do is grab your product page link, put it into the software, and then you can choose whether you want a video reaction, so it'll be the UGC creator talking to the reaction of the video, or it'll be a product in hand. So what we're going to do is a product in hand. So now you need to add your media. So basically it'll pull everything for you. Okay, so the product name, the product description, and then just select one image that just shows your product clearly, so that way they can take the product and put it on the AI UGC creator. And now this is where you can really start to customize the video settings. So you can do it whether you want it for Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and then the aspect ratio, which is 9:16, the language, and then you can choose the duration. This is all going to depend on the script, but I'm just going to keep it at 30 seconds. And then here's where you can actually pick the avatar that you want. Now, me personally, I'm picking somebody that just looks super natural. Maybe they're just sitting in their room, whatever the case may be. When you go to edit these videos, you don't need to worry about that because you can remove the background. But again, I want to pick the most natural looking creator as I possibly can. Now that you chose your avatar, now you can customize the voice as well. Okay, usually the default will be fine because it's made for that specific creator, but if you found something that matches a little bit better, you can go ahead and go through the voice library and choose the one that's best suited for your creator. Now this is insane. Create UGC will actually create the scripts for you, so you no longer have to do that. But if you have a script already ready to go, you can just go ahead and just delete all this, put your script in there and have it save that. Or you could choose one of the scripts that Create UGC created for you. And that's pretty much it. All you have to do is just click on generate, and Create UGC will make your video in about 1 to 2 minutes. Let's check out what they made for us.
That's why this women's bikini trimmer is a total game changer. Designed with gentle precision blades, it trims smoothly without irritation, even on sensitive skin. The compact design makes it easy to handle, and you can take it anywhere for quick touch-ups.
So as you just saw, that looked extremely realistic. Like first glance, you would not know if this was an AI UGC creator or not. And majority of the time, you're going to shrink her down in your editing software anyways. Maybe she'll just be in the bottom left or right hand corner. But what I would do is I wouldn't just stop here. I would regenerate like 4 or 5 of these videos with the same script and the same actor, but maybe without her holding the product, or in a way where you can cut it to where you can't see the product, right? So now you'll have multiple clips that you can use for ads where maybe one part she's holding the product and the next, clip she's not and she's just speaking. So that's it. That is literally the laziest way that you can make money online in 2026. You've got AI building your store, finding you the products, and even creating the ads for you. The only thing that's left is to test, learn, and scale. There has never been a better time for you to get started with your dropshipping business than right now. You don't need experience. You don't need to overthink it. You just simply need to learn how to implement and take action. If you found this video helpful, I would greatly appreciate if you can drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Also, comment the word AI below this video so I know that you made it to the end. And if you're still struggling and you want to learn how to get started with dropshipping and you want me to teach you all the different ways from AI to store building to ads to scaling, all these different fundamentals, I want you to go down to the description and check out Unlimited Ecom Academy, which is my full A to Z dropshipping program. And as always, thank you guys so much for the support. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day or night whenever you're watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time.